Similar to simple interest, different texts use different formulae and prime numerals for the compound interest formula, but you'll still get the same answer as long as you know how to use each one. I've included a couple of common formulae here. A and FV refer to the final amount or final value or future value of an investment. This is what we are calculating when we're using this formula. P or PV both stand for the amount of money borrowed or invested. This is known as the present value or the principal. Exactly the same as the simple interest formulae. The main difference is that the formula on the left includes the conversion of the percentage interest rate to a decimal in the formula, R on 100. The formula on the right assumes you've already done this and you're including the interest rate as a decimal in the formula. N represents the same thing, time, usually in years. And that's it. Whatever formula you use is up to you. I'll show you examples on how to use both. The main difference between the simple interest formula and the compound interest formula is that the simple interest formula calculates the interest, whereas the compound interest formula calculates the future value or final value, including the interest. That means there is an extra step to find out the amount of interest paid or earned. To do this, we take away the principal from the final or future value. Let's look at an example. Will has $14,000 to invest. He invests the money at 9% per annum for 5 years with interest compounded annually. How much will the investment grow? How much interest will he earn? We'll use the formula that converts the interest rate to a decimal. We're finding what the investment will grow to, which is A. The principal is $14,000. The rate, the interest rate is 9%. N on the time is 5 years. We substitute those values into our formula and we calculate and we find that the investment will grow to $21,540.74. Now we need to work out how much interest is earned. And to do that, we take away the principal from the final value and we can calculate it to be $7,540.74 interest earned. Let's look at another example. How much would Roger have to invest now to have $5,497.77 in 3 years at 6.2% per annum? This time we're trying to find out what he would need to invest. So we're trying to find out what P or principal is. We know he's trying to have a final value of $5,497.77. This could be for any number of reasons. Maybe he needs to purchase something that amount. The rate is 6.2%. Time is 3 years. And we're going to use the formula where we convert the rate to a decimal within the formula. We substitute those values into our formula and we can simplify it to $5,497.77 equals P times 1.062 to the power of 3. Then we divide both sides by 1.062 to the power of 3. We put that into our calculator and we work out that the original principal that he would need to invest is $4,590. Let's look at an example using the other formula. Robert invests $2,500 at 5% per annum for 4 years. What's the future value of the investment? How much interest will Robert earn? We're trying to find the future value. The present value is $2,500. Interest rate 5%. Converted to a decimal is 5 divided by 100, which is 0.05. Time is 4 years. The compound interest formula, we substitute our values in. When we calculate, we get the future value is $3,038.77. But how much interest was earned? We need to take away the present value from the future value. We substitute our values in and we find the interest earned was $538.77. In summary, there are a couple of different formulae that you can use. Whichever one you choose, make sure you know how to use it and you won't have any issues.